the subject is this. Lord Krishna here gives a very wonderful exposition of integrated life, combining the spiritual and the secular. How to combine the spiritual and secular in such a way that the line of demarcation between the two vanishes. So, he uses one term, Rajarshi, which you'll find in Plato's Republic, the Philosopher-King. It is an ancient concept which you find in the Gita. Plato puts in different language, the Republic, the Philosopher-King. So you should be a king. Remember, not kings of our times, the British sovereign, because they have nothing to do, in fact, modern times. We are talking about kings and emperors who ruled the world in ancient times. So it's ancient classical work, mind you. So they had to be very efficient, very active, very successful. They should be very competent. So the highest degree of activity, success, efficiency, workaholism, all these were necessary for kings in ancient times. But then he should also be a rishi. Rishi means a great philosopher, saint. Rishi means a person who can see far, who can see beyond today, beyond the present, who can look far beyond. It's one of the most wonderful concepts in Vedantic tradition. Now, the idea is this. Rajatvam means the condition of a king, which is related to prosperity, wealth, efficiency, workaholism, as in any modern business executive, company executive in modern times, has to be. You have to be active, you have to be competitive, you should be efficient, you should be professional, all that. But then you know that this active, efficient life may not give us contentment. That's why we are assembled here, in fact. You find some of the most successful executives, as good as the ancient kings, are not happy within. So there is something lacking. And what is that something? The ideal of a rishi. Rishi means a saint. The characteristic of a saint is this. He recognizes the need for prosperity. He recognizes the need for efficiency, action, professionalism. But he also recognizes the limitation of efficiency, the limitation of professionalism, and the limitation of prosperity that it brings. So the ability to combine the best of the secular and also the spiritual foresight to recognize its limitation, the limitation of material prosperity. That is the essence of a philosopher king in the Gita. That's what we need today.